Welcome to Graybeard Radio, where wisdom meets impact and income, and fakery is reviled. I'm your host, Matt Hempel, bringing you conversations for men 50 plus who prioritize health, relevance, and connection, all while leveraging the best in tools and technology. Ladies, welcome. No beard required. I'm launching my first full episode very soon, and I want you to enjoy it before anyone else. So be sure to subscribe to this podcast right now. That way you'll get every new episode delivered to your device automatically, and it'll always be ready for you when you want to listen. And you'll want to tune in every week because this podcast isn't about me, it's about you. My goal is to help us both stay healthy, discover the real value in our decades of wisdom and experience, and turn that into meaningful impact and income, whether in your current career or business, a completely new direction, or retirement. Here's the thing. If you're stuck, overwhelmed, burned out, disillusioned, or just uncertain about what your next step should be, you don't have to get out of the game entirely. Maybe it's just a slightly different game. Your game, your rules, on your terms. With the right tools and technology and strategy, you can stay connected to the people and things that matter most and thrive in this next chapter. And here's the best part. There has never been a better time in history to make this shift. For the first time ever, we can combine our decades of hard-won wisdom with cutting-edge tools and technology that amplify everything we do. The opportunities available to us right now are unprecedented. Plus, if you know anyone else who would benefit from the life-changing information I've got coming your way, please feel free to share it with them as well. And ladies, if you really want to know what your spouse, your significant other, or any of the men in your life are actually thinking, you need to listen to this podcast. Don't worry, it'll be our secret. In the meantime, don't forget to subscribe to this podcast right now and be on the lookout for my premiere episode, which is coming very, very soon.